What do you guys?
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County in east central Colorado until 2:15 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cowhead, or 32 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cowhead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe